What does $310,000 get you in Hickory, North Carolina? Let me show you. Welcome to 605 18th Street Northwest, a beautifully renovated home sitting on a spacious corner lot with not just one, but two driveways. You have front parking and a side drive that leads to a basement one-car garage with a huge workshop area, perfect for your hobbies or extra storage. Inside you'll find a fully updated kitchen with granite countertops, crisp white cabinets, a butcher block island, smooth cooktop, a wall oven, and a brand new stainless steel dishwasher. There's also a cozy breakfast nook, laundry hookups, and easy flow into the dining room. There's space for everyone with a large living room, a cozy den for relaxing, and even a dedicated office, ideal for working from home. The primary suite offers its own ensuite bath and private access to the covered back porch with new steps, your own little retreat. Two more bedrooms and a laundry room fully complete the main level. Downstairs, the unfinished basement has endless possibilities, whether it's a home gym, a rec room, or storage galore. Enjoy multiple outdoor areas including a covered side porch, patios, and freshly painted exterior. To top it off, the seller includes a 1-year home warranty for peace of mind. All of this for just $309,900.